Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Gonna do a review today on my DeWaukee 18 gauge finish nailer. I purchased this because of you guys. I did a video a while back on the nail guns that I used, and I expressed some just frustration with this DeWault 18 gauge nailer. I've owned two of these. I've been using this gun since it came out, and it's just got a lot of problems. It doesn't set nails well, and the comments on the other video were absolutely overwhelming in favor of this gun. Anybody who's used this gun absolutely loves it. So the problem with that was I am a almost completely DeWault battery platform guy. I have some Festool tools that I use their batteries with some of their cordless tools, but otherwise I don't really switch platforms. So for me to get into other chargers for different brands of tools, batteries was something I didn't really want to do just for one tool. So as you can see here, I bought an adapter which allows me to use my DeWault battery on this Milwaukee gun. So it works really good. Clips right in, no issues. And then it's just got two tabs right here. You squeeze and it pops on and off, really simple. I just leave this on the gun all the time. This will run you about 35 bucks, but people have asked me, you know, is it durable? And it's a very basic design. There's not really anything to break, especially if you're gonna leave it on the gun like I do. Works really great. Been using this gun for about 3 or 4 months now, I think. I've used it for a lot of base shoe, for finals and stuff like that, and it's worked fantastic. So, thoughts on the gun. The biggest difference, obviously, the DeWault guns use a flywheel design. You pull the trigger and you get that ramp up with the flywheel going into motion. You can see even whenever I pull the trigger, you'll notice the gun even moves almost like you're firing an actual gun. So that's kind of annoying. You'll notice the Milwaukee here. The one thing I don't really like that I'm used to with the DeWault is you can just leave this on all the time and you pull the trigger and it's ready to go. On the Milwaukee, you do have to push the button here to turn it on, and then you can select between single fire mode or multiple shot mode. So again, pull the trigger here, obviously 0 ramp up time, but then it's just ready to go right to town. It's been setting nails perfectly. I've had very, very few nails that this thing has left proud, and I have absolute nightmare problems with this gun leaving nails proud. From what I understand, whenever the drive pin on this DeWault goes over the nail, sometimes it slips over the top, I think, and that's what causes them to be proud. But I've owned 2 different guns, both have been terrible. I don't recommend this gun at all, especially now that Milwaukee has answered with their Generation 2 gun, and you can even put a DeWault battery on it. I mean, it just doesn't get much better than that. So in summary, highly recommend this gun. No issues. Love the fact that there's no ramp up time. Yeah. So I think these battery adapters are going to be the way of the future. I will link these in the notes below the video. Like I said, 35 bucks on Amazon. You can get these for basically any tool. They've got a lot of them out. Most of them are made in China, but you know what? Like I said, there's just not much to them, not much to break. They work really well. So I'll link that up. I do have to give a shout out to Finish Carpentry TV. Richard sent me this shirt, DeWaukee, which is pretty awesome. Definitely love the shirt. It's got the Finish Carpentry TV logo on it. Big fan of his. He's been very kind and mentioning me a number of times in his videos as I got my YouTube channel started, and that's much appreciated. So check Richard out, and next time he sells these shirts, be sure to get yourself one. My son's even got one, so that's pretty cool. So in summary guys, I highly recommend this gun. I have zero reservations about recommending it. I'm really interested in the next generation of 15 gauge nailers also. I've had pretty good luck with my 15 gauge DeWault. I've went through 2 of them, wore out my first one, but they always seem to set nails pretty well. But I'm really interested to see what Milwaukee will come out next with that. If they can answer one with another nailer that doesn't use this flywheel design and can set nails consistently, that would just be awesome. And to be able to use other battery platforms on it these days is super handy as well. So thanks for watching guys. Be sure to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, like the video, and we'll see you next time.